Hi, I'm Nathan Romano. I am the CEO of publiexpert.com. We provide digital marketing services, AI services, and I also resell JHL, where you can have your business set up and running really fast. It's backed with AI. Everything you ask from the AI, it can be done. It can manage everything from your business to your social media to your ad campaigns. You don't need to know how to program. It's done fast, it's done quick. And today I want to show you a tool unrelated to that. This is one of the things that I'm teaching with AI. You're invited to join our AI community where you can learn new stuff that will get you up and running in no time. So this is a tool that no one is talking about, brand new tool, free. You can try it for free. You can use it for free. It's by Amazon, which, if you don't know, Amazon is one of the top companies in the world, so you can trust it. The way this works is that you have use of searches and stuff like that. I don't really understand it. Amazon doesn't publish it, but I can tell you I've been running this in a very heavy way, and I haven't gotten any real problems with it. I haven't run into max usage. I am running on my monthly usage though. But I can always upgrade the plan. Now I can tell you, this is totally worth it. Why? Because this AI is a full agent, meaning it really does work. It does everything you need and it does it quickly. You can have agents, you can have chat tools, folders, spaces, or search. You have the ability to make it smart, balanced, or fast. I think my mistake has been doing it with smart. But it can do pretty much anything and everything. You can connect it to your tools, MCPs. It can connect to Windows, Office 365 tools like Word. It can connect to Google Drive. It can connect to Linear. It can connect to so many things. And when you talk to it, it actually understands. It stores in memory everything it needs to know about you and about your business. It can have scheduled tasks. This is the one agent that it feels like an agent. I have never been able to use Hermes or OpenClaw the way I like it, where it feels that the machine understands and works. This is the first time I've been able to do that. So this tool is totally worth it. I'm going to show it to you a little bit. We get a new chat, the activity feed. You can see, if you connect it to the email, you can see what's going on, each email, the stuff you're working on. Again, agents and skills. I designed a new agent that is a sales agent. I haven't used it. Everything I've done with Quick, it's really good. You have agents, research, flows, and spaces. I haven't gone through everything yet. You can have task list or chat list where you can have each chat, but some chats can go on forever, like for really forever, not like, let me show you, like forever. It can create stuff and continue. It does not hallucinate. It does not invent things that shouldn't be there. Like, you always need to control that. But anyway, it does create the documents it needs. It has a task list. You have dossiers. Everything that you do with it, it stores it. So you can have as many chats as you need. Each chat can be as long as you need to be, for real. In the settings, you have the capabilities. As I said, you can connect it to different services. There's more. on the website. It has tools: web search, file operations, browser automation, quick web, image generation. The image generation is very good without text. If you put text to it, it's not as good. But without text, is one of the best I've seen. Knowledge and memory, awesome. I'm going to show it to you. Schedule management, awesome. Agent builder, awesome. Task management, awesome. Chat and notification. I haven't used it much. This is for Teams and Slack, but it's really good. You give it which folders you want to have access to, and you can have search indexing your default. It does a memory, as I said, it has a memory. So it already takes the knowledge graph of everything, and it does its own memory. So it's really, really good. It stores things between devices, so you never lose that. And you can change the appearance, have notifications, see the activity feeds. You can decide which browser you want it to automate. You can take screen captures. You can choose how many parallel tasks you want it to do. You can have the response. I asked it always to respond in a concise and professional manner and never invent anything or lie. So that prompt needs to be improved. I just tried it. You can preload skills or not. That's something you need to decide. Voice, you can decide if you want to have it and if you want it to talk back to you. And that's about it. But the thing is, I mean, there's more things, of course. There's the notifications, mission control, where you can see what needs input, what's scheduled, and you have the folders, so you see what's going on, what's connected. Okay, you can have coding agents, you can have skills, you can have, I don't know what the quick web pages are, the web spaces are, sorry. I'm not sure about that. I need to find out. But this tool, no one is talking about it, so I decided to be the first one to do it. You are going to love it. It is an actual agent. It is going to understand what you want. It is going to do what you want. And you're going to get amazing results. So if you like this, you can always click on the little hand thingy and subscribe. I'd love to have you here subscribed. I'm going to be showcasing amazing tools, things that I find that are really exceptional, like this one. And you're always invited to see our CRM. Click on the description below. You're going to have a link to the CRM and to the AI community, where if you join, you can have access to the CRM and a couple of more bonuses. So I hope all in all you enjoyed this. Please comment, test it, let me know. Again, you can try it for free. The paid version is $25, which I don't know if it increases the usage. I tried to figure out if it increases the usage, but I wasn't able to. As I said, this is brand new. There's very little info, but I'm very sure that whatever you decide to ask it to do is going to be amazing. Look, my monthly usage just went to 0. I don't know. It's still there. It's going to be amazing. You're going to love it. What you can do as a tip, if you want to use all its ability to define your businesses, define what you want it to do, you can always ask it to store things in the folders that you give it access to. And once you give it access to the folder, you can tell it to always write notes on what you're doing. Like, for example, if you're building a website for something, you can ask it to give the note on the top of what that folder is about and what needs to be done, and ask it to plan, like to choose what needs to be done. And then with another tool like Visual Studio Code or Cursor or whichever other you want to use, you can ask the tool with another AI which I'll be covering in other videos in the community, to continue with other credit systems where you can have it done cheap, done right, and you don't run out of the use of Amazon Quick. So please leave your comments. I would love to read them. I will read all of them. I'm not sure if I can reply to all of them, but I would absolutely love to read what you have to think about it. Thank you.